Hi guys, it's your girl Matsiki again, and I'm gonna show you a bit of it. Okay, I'm wearing the dress from. No, it's fine. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm wearing the dress from Shein and the shoes from the Fix and the bag from Shein, and this is how I look. Bye, guys. I love you.
So here's what people are saying about the Limpopo Boy and Matshidiso drama. And honestly, their reactions are all over the place. One thing I've noticed is that a lot of people feel like Matshidiso is getting most of the criticism, even though Limpopo Boy is also involved in the situation. One person basically said, Limpopo Boy is the one involved, but with Matshidiso, we're only seeing certain parts of her and somehow she's getting the most heat. And then there's another argument people are making. We don't actually know the full timeline of everything. Some people are questioning whether the video was recorded before Matshidiso got married, so they're saying we shouldn't immediately make assumptions about when it happened. But then you have people on the other side saying, no, both of them made decisions here and both should take responsibility. Another comment really stood out to me. Someone said they hope everyone involved gets the support they need, including Matshidiso's husband, and that they hope nobody reacts emotionally and does something they could regret later. And honestly, I think that's an important point, because social media can turn a private situation into a massive public spectacle within hours. People are angry, people are choosing sides, and everyone suddenly feels like they know exactly what happened, even though we're only seeing pieces of the story. There are also people blaming Limpopo Boy for recording the moment in the first place. One person basically asked, who is still recording things like this in 2026? Others are speculating about why the recording was made and whether it was ever supposed to become public. But again, we don't know his intentions, so I think it's better to stick to what we actually know. And then of course, some people are attacking Matshidiso's character and saying she should have known better. But here's where I think we need to be careful. You can criticize someone's decision without completely destroying their character or sending thousands of people after them. At the end of the day, there are real people behind this drama, and whatever happened, the consequences can affect people far beyond social media. So what do you think, guys? Should the public be holding both people equally accountable, or do you think one person deserves more criticism than the other? Let me know what you think in the comments.